Hello, I'm here to support you in creating a healthy dining table. Diabetes affects 1 in 8 adults in Korea. But don't despair. You can control diabetes through proper dietary management. Today, I'll introduce 4 foods that are easily available and excellent for diabetes management. They are spinach, bean sprouts, radish, and Cheonggukjang. I'll explain how these foods control blood sugar, how to eat them effectively, and the changes experienced by diabetes patients. First, let's understand why diet is so important for diabetes management. Diabetes is when our body cannot properly process glucose. Blood sugar remains high because insulin is insufficient or doesn't work properly. Why diet is important. First, all foods directly affect blood sugar. Second, proper nutrients improve insulin efficiency. Third, maintaining proper weight is key to diabetes management. Fourth, chronic inflammation worsens insulin resistance. We need foods with low glycemic index, rich in dietary fiber, and anti-inflammatory effects. These 4 foods perfectly meet these conditions. First food, spinach. Spinach is called green medicine because it's so nutritious. Per 100 grams of spinach, 23 calories, 3.6 Gs carbohydrates, 2.2 G dietary fiber, 2.9 G protein, 79 mg magnesium, and vitamin K. Spinach has a very low glycemic index of 15, meaning it hardly raises blood sugar. How spinach improves diabetes. Magnesium improves insulin sensitivity and helps glucose enter cells. Research shows magnesium deficiency increases diabetes risk by 43%. Chromium improves glucose tolerance and enhances insulin efficiency. Alpha-lipoic acid prevents diabetic complications. Dietary fiber slows glucose absorption and maintains satiety. Daily recommended intake is 100 to 150 G. Try spinach miso soup for breakfast, season spinach as side dish, or spinach smoothie as snack. Those with kidney stones should limit intake, and warfarin users should consult doctors. Second food, bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are living food where nutrients become richer during germination. Per 100 G, 30 calories, 5.9 G carbohydrates, 1.5 G dietary fiber, 3.9 G protein, vitamin C, aspartic acid, and saponin. During germination, vitamin C increases 5-fold. Bean sprouts improve diabetes through saponin that suppresses blood sugar rise and protects vascular health. Aspartic acid removes fatigue substances and improves circulation. Rich dietary fiber prevents blood sugar spikes and maintains satiety. Low-calorie, high-protein helps weight management. Daily recommended intake is 150 to 200 Gs. Try bean sprout soup, bean sprout rice, or bean sprout japchae. Don't overcook to preserve nutrients. Third food, radish. Radish is 95% water but contains powerful diabetes-fighting components. Per 100 G, 18 calories, 4.1 G carbohydrates, 1.4 G dietary fiber, 27 mg vitamin C, 233 mg potassium, diastase enzyme, and isothiocyanate. Glycemic index is very low at 25. Radish controls blood sugar through diastase enzyme that breaks down starch and prevents blood sugar spikes. Isothiocyanate has anti-inflammatory action and improves vascular health. Rich potassium controls blood pressure. Water and fiber increase satiety and help detoxification. Daily recommended intake is 200-300 ghee. Try radish juice on empty stomach, radish kimchi, or radish green dishes. Those with weak stomachs should avoid large raw amounts. Fourth food, Cheonggukjang. This traditional fermented food produces diabetes beneficial components during fermentation. Per 141 calories, 9.7 GOs carbohydrates, 3.3 G dietary fiber, 14.8 gene protein, lecithin, saponin, isoflavone, and nattokinase. Fermentation increases protein absorption to 95%. Cheonggukjang improves diabetes through isoflavone that improves insulin resistance and directly helps blood sugar control. Lecithin improves cholesterol and protects vessels. Nattokinase prevents blood clots and improves circulation. Beneficial bacteria improve gut health and boost immunity. Daily recommended intake is 50 G, 3 to 4 times weekly. Try low-sodium Cheonggukjang stew or seasoned Cheonggukjang. High blood pressure patients should check sodium content. Combining these 4 foods creates synergy effects. Multi-angle blood sugar control. Spinach improves insulin sensitivity. Bean sprouts suppress blood sugar rise. Radish improves digestion. Cheonggukjang provides long-term stabilization. Nutritional complementarity provides complete vitamin and mineral supply. Combined fiber, protein, and water maximize satiety. Weekly menu suggestion. Monday, spinach soup and bean sprout rice. Tuesday, radish kimchi and Cheonggukjang stew. Wednesday, bean sprout soup and seasoned spinach. Thursday, radish juice and seasoned Cheonggukjang. Friday, spinach smoothie and bean sprout japchae. Saturday, comprehensive nutrition rice with all 4 foods. Sunday, choose these foods when eating out. Final advice. These traditional foods don't show effects overnight. Consume consistently for 2-3 months to feel changes. 3 principles for successful diabetes management. First, consistency. A little daily but consistently. Second, balance. All 4 foods properly. Third, medical consultation. Regular blood sugar tests. Diabetes is a condition to manage, not cure completely. Start today with these 4 foods for a healthy table. I support your healthy transformation. Next video will show detailed recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave questions and comments. Thank you.